What's going on, everybody? This is Robert from robertearlreed.com, and this is the Crypto Corner. Just want to give you guys a little bit of news of the day, give a little bit more commentary rather than just reading articles. But we will read some articles because we want to see what's going on today. And the news of the day really is about how the market has been dipping, has been taking a crash, and a lot of people are freaking out. They're saying, oh no, Bitcoin's crashing, all the altcoins are crashing. We look at the charts and they're all in the red. So we're going to look at a couple of those things, but I want you guys to take a look at this. Right now, the current market cap is $549 billion. So that is indeed down because we've seen it a lot higher, but not to worry. We just need to keep our shirt on, keep watching what's going on. We see a lot of red. Everybody's down. And it's making a lot of people uneasy. Down. On the top 100, only so far, let's see, we've only seen one coin, two coins. Let's see here, anything else in the top 100? Two coins that were in green, but everything else is in red. So a lot of people are panicking and wondering what's going to happen. Well, folks, relax. There is an explanation for that. Let's go on over to that explanation. Now, let's look at a little bit of news, and then we're going to get right to what's really happening. Okay, so there is a lot of news in other countries, and I'm saying that because I'm in America. So there is some news in other countries as to a reason lending itself to the downturn, but we will get to the real reason because there is a pattern there. But let's get to the other stuff that's out there. Right here in an article I was looking at, Bitcoin is there. It says 200 billion disappears in the new downturn. Yeah, there is a downturn, but there's also a reason. Bitcoin dipped around 13.7% to challenge $12,000 Tuesday as both South Korea and China present regulatory changes which could limit access even further for regular users. Despite local Korean news outlets forecasting that a shutdown on the cryptocurrency exchange space was not likely Monday, the situation remains confused as lawmakers attempt to place restrictions on everyday traders. Now, in China, where exchanging to fiat was banned in September, authorities are now seeking to end the centralized trade of cryptocurrencies in any form where entities are acting as market makers, sources claim. Government agencies met last week to discuss the additional measures with People's Bank of China Vice Governor Pan Gongshin, writing in a memo seen by Reuters that there was clear consensus that a further crackdown. Quote, the Financial Work Conference clearly called by limiting innovations that deviate from the need of the real economy and escape regulation, he announced. In comments to mainstream media, UK-based eToro senior market analyst Mate Greenspan said the knock-on effect for traders was potentially driving the downtrend in lessening volume. The pullback seems to be coming from a lack of buyers in Asia. Now we're getting somewhere, folks, and we're going to get to the real reason in a moment, he suggested. Japan and South Korea usually dominate this market, but over the last few years, the volumes have been dropping steadily. Let's continue. According to the average exchange data by CoinMarketCap's listings, and we're going to take a look at that real quick, altcoins reacted considerably more sharply to Bitcoin's dip, major assets declining between 20% and 30% over the same period. Actually, we saw that when I was showing you guys the list, and it's just an all red everywhere. So let's just continue. In a curious contrast to previous upsets caused by China, local platforms Neo's token is currently performing the best in the top 20, falling just 6.3%. A total of 200 billion was wiped off the markets. All right, so now we're going to get to the good stuff as to what is going on, and here we go. Reacting to the news, cryptocurrency commentators noted that it was only the reporting of the meeting by Western media this week that precipitated the price volatility. Chinese sources allegedly having known about its content via social media rumors since last week. Okay, we can look at some of the rumors there, but let's take a look right here, guys. Meanwhile, a more light-hearted commentary on the price lows came from data analysts showing Bitcoin systematically set its lowest value for each of the past 3 years in the second week of January. The bottom came on January 15th. Look at that, guys. January 16th and January 12th for the year of 2015, 2016, and 2017, respectively. Here's why, folks. The unspoken power of the lunar calendar on Bitcoin ties in conveniently with another pattern, that of steep corrections precluding further upward price reaction in the coming period. All right, let's look at that in English. Let's go right on over here. Came on over to Inverse. On the Bitcoin subreddit, an alternate explanation for the drop by user Ellipsigum made the front page. In a post titled "Everybody Relax," the user noted a sell-off normally occurs around 3 weeks prior to Lunar New Year. You have your answer, folks. The reason why there's a dip in the market is because it is Lunar New Year. Okay, now the event is the world's largest human migration, and a number of traders may be selling to buy plane tickets and gifts. You have your answer. This is why there's a huge dip. It's not the time to panic. In fact, it is the time to buy. Again, this is for entertainment purposes only. I'm not your financial advisor, but I am telling you, you buy on the dip if you so choose, if you are going to be an investor. This is the time. This is when the cryptos are on sale. Okay. Again, not advice, little entertainment, little education, little information. You play at your own risk. So let's look at that Reddit that they are all talking about. Right here, it says, everybody relax. Here's the reason for the dip and when the bull market will return. I agree with this blogger here. Asia will dominate in crypto trading by volume, accounting for a vast majority of money flowing in and out. Guess what's coming up in 3 weeks? Lunar New Year. Lots of money is flowing back to fiat to buy presents and plane tickets, plane and train tickets. People spend a ton of money on travel and presents during Lunar New Year. This is their Christmas. This is also the largest mass migration of people on the planet, occurring over 2 weeks. Projections are from 100 billion USD in spending. You can look at the article there on Forbes. I'm not going to do it at this time. Remember that the crypto market is antithetical to the stock market. Stocks boom when business is booming during the holidays. Crypto investors are retail investors, not Wall Street investors. Retail investors sell during holidays. Thus, the crypto market falls. This sell-off has happened exactly 3 weeks before Lunar New Year each of the last 4 years. And you can look at the evidence right here that he has there. I'm not going to click on it at this time. So everybody chill out for a week. The bulls will be back by February. You can't fault these Chinese or Korean bros for taking major gains to buy some cool stuff for their families. Hell, if you want to, buy up their cheap coins in the meantime. Okay, so guys, we have an explanation. Okay, you have an explanation. All you have to do, go back to CoinMarketCap, go plug in the years, and to look at the corresponding dips in January. So if this is happening all the time, it's called a pattern. This is a pattern. This is what's going on in the market. The large sector, hey, the population over in China and Asia is bigger than America. So they have more of the crypto market. They have more money in the crypto market. So when they go to sell off, it's going to have a huge effect. And it's going to be like that for a little while. And it's been happening every year. All you have to do is go back here, click on the market cap there. Let's see as it goes through. All right, let's click on the market cap. It's trying to load, but while it's load, you click on that market cap, then you go back to January in those respective years, and you should see a dip, and you already know why. So you go there, go to your 1 year, pop in your dates here for those years, and then you will see dips there on those days, on the 15th and on the other days that the article pointed out. And so let's see, the 15th of 2015, the 16th of 2016, and the 12th of 2017. So don't panic, just relax. Let our Asian counterparts go have fun and party. I mean, it's their holiday season. Let them do that. if you want to take advantage of the fire sale that's going on in some of these cryptos and be happy. But there you have it right there, guys. This has been Robert with robertoreed.com. Guys, if you have not already, smash the notification button so you don't miss any of the episodes. I enjoy sharing this information with you guys and coming to you guys almost every day. Pretty much every day I send something. I don't go too long without posting something out there and get you guys your crypto fix out there. It's all about character, cryptos, and cash flows on this channel. So like, comment, subscribe. You got any additional thoughts? Put it in the comment section below so we can all learn and we can all conquer with cryptos. See you guys next time.